joy of pain. Sounds of joy and celebration from womenfolk introduces a newborn to the community. Often, the women support each other, with the expectant mother receiving visitors and guests, most of whom show up to provide her with solace and solidarity. On the day of delivery, a ram is slaughtered and only women feast on this particular one. My name is Teto Oletutumam, and I welcome you to Modern Maasai, a YouTube series running on my channel. Find the link to episode 2, Domestic Ties, on the description to this video. This is episode 3, The Joy of Pain. During the last trimester, a pregnant woman is underfed to limit the growth of the baby inside her body. The belief was the smaller the fetus, the easier the delivery. Most were sustained on a thin porridge. After birth, several therapeutic interventions usher the newborn to the joys of pains. An example is crushing of the lower canines before they grow. Only the permanent set of these teeth will grow later during adolescence. Another procedure is the removal of lower set of incisors teeth before age 6. At this point, pain becomes part of the whole process, such that by the time of circumcision, an individual has all their ears mutilated. The skin in the cheeks, upper arms, and thighs will also have been extensively charred and tattooed with marks and symbols that projected beauty and courage, judged by elaboration in detail of the art. Circumcision procedure is presumed to be the pinnacle of this pain pursuit. This is when a boy is affirmed after to rise up because they have become a man. The purpose of pain, for the benefit of this narrative, is to help the individual distinguish themselves from their body. Thus, one is able to realize the more physical pain I go through, the joyous the process for life, from a reassurance of the plasticity of the natural world, proved by the irresistibility of what one is becoming. We shall continue to delve deeper into this concept, modern Maasai. My bid is to answer a few questions. What does it mean to be Maasai? Can you be Maasai and stay relevant? Can I be modern Maasai? Why? Please subscribe to this channel and follow this profile all over socials for more on this topic on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, X, and TikTok. See you on the next video.